maganda na yung feeding program natin sa kinder and grade 1, but we need to catch the children at ages 0 to 5. Kasi pagpasok sa kindergarten, much of the damage has already been done. Eh, ang problema sa daycare centers natin, only up to 29% of our children ages 3 to 4 are in daycare centers. So yun lang ang napapakain ng DSWD. So dapat yung mga LGUs, yung mga municipalities, mga barangay, magpatayo rin sila ng mga daycare centers.
Alam po dun sa PPED lang, sir, they said
Yeah.
na dangerously inadequate yung pace nung pag-implement ng education reforms. Ano masasabi ng DepEd?
Well, ay importante, it's moving. Kung kayang pabilisin. Pero I think on the part of DepEd, we're doing what we can. Pero kung anong pagkaya, titingnan natin. Definitely, yung aral program, pinapaganda natin. Yung feeding program, gumaganda siya. Yung school building program, it's the largest we've seen in many years. So, yung teachers, inaalagaan naman with the promotions. So I think medyo gumagana naman under President Marcos. So,
Hopeful lang ba ang DepEd for another 1 trillion budget this next year po?
sana at least pantay, di ba? Hindi, wag mabawasan sana yung mga crucial programs.